What time is it? It's science time!
Check out this amazing demonstration from Mr. C's live science theater show.
Boiling water, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Liquid nitrogen, minus 321 degrees Fahrenheit. Do the math, the difference, over 500 degrees. I need a countdown in 3, 2, 1.
That's some cool science. The liquid nitrogen gains lots of heat energy from the water and erupts upwards to create a humongous cloud as it cools.
Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.